In a divorce, there are various ways that assets can be divided. And you think of assets, there can be retirement accounts that are assets, there can be homes, there can be businesses, there can be cars, there can be jewelry, there could be hunting equipment. Anything that's valuable can be an asset. People can divide these things by agreement however you want to. But if you and your spouse have reached a point that you can't agree enough to be married to each other any longer, then you probably are going to have difficulty agreeing about how you're going to divide up your stuff. And you think it gets really down to a petty level sometimes of who's going to get this item or who's going to get that item, who's going to get the china, who's going to get our baseball cards or whatever you might be fighting over. But anything that's valuable could be an asset. In Alabama, our courts are going to take what we call an equitable look. Now, not necessarily equal, because 50-50 may not be the way things get divided up, and often it is not how things get divided up. The length of your marriage, whether things are purchased with funds you've inherited from a family member, or if you had savings and you sold a house before your marriage and used that savings to put a down payment on a house that y'all bought together, there can be all kind of factors that weigh into why assets may not be divided 50-50. But our court really wants to take what's called an equitable look, which means we are courts of equity, which is fairness. And the court wants to be fair to you and your spouse.